Well, here we are in the Roadhog house. But the weather is shit, so I just thought I'd spin the camera around in my front room. And the weather is fucking shit. You see what I mean by shit? That's the only trouble with living in this country. Weather. Weather means no biking. You see the Cornish flag there? You see the way that's bending over? Yeah, it's not good at all. Okay, as the weather's not that good, a bit of Tchaikovsky. Well, it looks like the only Yamaha we're going to have today is the t-shirt. The weather here in Cornwall is atrocious. Never mind, big word, atrocious. I like that. I like that. We'll have to use that more often. Yeah, so it looks like we are stuck in. So I think I'm going to ring my brother up, and I think tonight we're going to venture to the pub and get pissed. Anyway, hopefully the weather will be a little bit better again tomorrow and we can get out. Okay, see you soon. Oh, you might as well go in and see her. Well, this is the only chance we're going to get to see her today, I think. Look at this, I don't know if you can see this actually. Oh. New tyre with lines on. You can see that with this light. I need to get out and scrub this new tyre in. Anyway, at least she's in the dry. Hey look, oh, look at this new phone holder. I watched a video the other day, the fella's got one of these phone holders on and he recommends it, so popped on Amazon and picked myself up one. Pretty easy to fit on the bars. There's a little clamp, just in there, and fits nicely, nice and secure. A little bit wobbly on the actual thing itself, but yeah, hopefully it'll be pretty good. It's garage keys. Do you like my little garage, by the way? One of those Asgard sheds. Yeah, keeps the bike in here. Brilliant. Recommend these. Like I say, it is what it is. It's the bike shed. No condensation. I was a bit worried about condensation being like metal. No condensation at all. Very happy with it. A little bit expensive. Comes in sections. Plenty of screws. It needs about a couple of hours to get it put up. Solid floor. Good bit of timber on the flooring, and doors are solid as well. Yeah. Recommend the old Asgard shed. Good bit of advertising. This is only the I think it's the 8x6, 8x5, but it does the job. Takes it a bit. That's it. Okay. Hopefully next time we video it'll be out on the road.